Hi, dear parents. Very good morning to you all. And this is Nirmala Mohan. I'm the principal of CK Energy Public School. And I also congrats the new parents who have joined us for this academic year. Surely, we all, do our best for our children to develop their skills and also I thought of by this video we can share some few points which we need to list out for these situations. As we have seen our last year, it was totally new thing which we never expected. So everybody we've been in online classes and teachers we've been little struggling to put forward all these methodologies and everything. But this academic year it's totally new and we have learned many things which we have done. The negative criteria which we have learned from that in the last academic year, we have started to mold it and we have rectified it in this academic year, and we have started implementing a new parental alarm app to our parents to have a good communication, and also the homework which we can upload it on the e-content path and all those, like whatever you want, the teachers want to send their notes and their documents, everything can be done in the e-content process. And also we have implemented the exceed methodology in a new version way, as they have understood this academic is going to be an online classes. They have given us a projector and good projector view of learning to the children, and that was happened in the classrooms. Maybe that will sure help the children to learn it very easily and happily with a clear view in the desktops or in the mobiles, instead of there is in the problem in the views and all this happened last year, but now it will be rectified and it was brought into the new methodologies. So I hope that exceed type of learning will surely make the children to adopt it and apply it in the easiest way. And also I thought of telling to the parents that telling that the parents are really into the struggling portion. I can understand the parents who are going for the job right now, right? So it is literally difficult for them to support them during the online classes, but there is no other way. Due to this situation, they need to support them in a right way and to bring them. Please, I request the parents for kindergarten to sit near to the children for part of most of the time. Like it takes only 2 or 3 minutes. You have to sit with them, and after that, if you see, the children will start adopting to that. And even the grade 1 and 2, the parents can sit for a 1 month near to them during the online classes. Later, if you see, they will get adopted and they will start doing with them individually. So you no need to worry about that. But from our side, we request the parents to make the children very happy and comfortable. Don't pressurize them. Already they are into the stress being at home. So don't pressurize them to always, read and do everything, perfectly. So just tell them, just guide them what to do and what is their own responsibility. Let them take it on their own and do for themselves. Okay, and that is what we expect from our children too. They themselves need to take their own responsibility and do it on their own. And coming point to the homework, we request all the parents to upload the homework rightly. Along with the homeworks, if you upload the worksheets which they are doing in the classrooms also, it will be so much good for us, to the teacher to rectify their mistakes and give a commands to the children, which you can do it in the e-content path of the parent alarm app. And kindly parents, please have a habit of checking the parent alarm app each and every day for the homeworks and the announcement which is sent from the school side, and also for uploading something, and you can see it the notice board column which is there in the app. And also you can see online class timetables which is scheduled by the teachers regularly. So please have an app in your thing and just check it for all communication from the school through that. And if you have any queries or want to give a feedbacks or something, like if you want to raise a queries on the learning part, please be feel to open up your things immediately to the respective in charges. You have the center wise in charges which we already allocated, so please immediately call them and ask the queries whatever you have on learning process or other methodologies. And also, if you feel you want to have some personal discussion with me as a principal, you want to communicate and give a feedback, please put us a mail immediately. Whatever you feel, please write a mail and send it immediately. We are always, welcome with both positive and negative feedbacks. If it is positive, it will be a encouragement for us to go to the next step. If it is a negative, we will rectify it immediately and will take a step to rectify it also. So anyway, parents, it is going to be an online classes for few months, I feel it. And after the problems gets rectified, maybe the regular classes may start according to the government rules and regulation. So till that, I request the parents to support your children with a great smile, love and hug. This will be a real three things which makes them very confident children and rise into a good children with a very good moral values. So I thank all the parents through this video to join our school and give us a good support and make this throughout the year a fruitful one with all your love and support. Thank you. Thank once again. And I also thank my team of teachers who are into a part for working with us. Thank you.